Hello and welcome to Nonstop Coding Tutorial YouTube channel. This is Michael, and in this video, I will show you how to use Collage Maker photo editor app that you can get from Playstore. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So, I have Google Play Store up and running. In the search field, type in Collage Maker. Here it is. Before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. These are the things that we can do with this app. It has 100 plus layouts that you can choose. Stylish freestyle like this. You can upload up to 20 photos. Story Maker. 500 plus emojis and stickers and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it now. While waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Collage Maker is your go-to photo collage maker and pics stitch app and pics art. Just select several photos in your photo lab. Collage Maker instantly remix them into cool photo collage. Pick the layout you like. Edit picture and decorate it with filters, stickers, texts and much more. It includes the following. 1. Side-by-side photos. Lots of inspirational uses to create side-by-side photos. 2. Grid photo. Create photo collage with hundreds of layouts in seconds. 3. Edit photo. All-in-one photo editor provides a bunch of editing tools, crop picture, apply filter to picture, etc. 4. Freestyle. Select beautiful background with full screen ratio to create a scrapbook. 5. Story template. 100 plus stylized templates including film, magazine, etc. 6. Multi-fit. Insta square photo in a blur background. Or white to fit for Instagram and much more. Alright, it is done. Let's go ahead and open it. This is the interface. And as you can see here, these are just a preview of what you can do with this app. Let's go ahead and check the templates. The templates area is where you can see all the available templates that you can use right away. These are predefined templates where you can choose the design you want. Notice that some of these templates are not free, so you will have to pay for the pro templates. Let's go ahead and try one of these. Let's try this one and just tap it. Choose a photo you have on your phone gallery. I will be choosing these beautiful photos of Nancy McDoney. So, I will go ahead and add this one. And this one too. Then hit the check mark. You can customize this by changing the template by tapping this. Add text. Double tap to add text. For example, I love Nancy. You can also change the style, change color, add a border, shadow, align. Preset is where you can use this customized text. Then you can place the text anywhere you like. I will place this here in the top. Great! It looks good. You can also apply filters, select the filters you like and see the result. You can also adjust the brightness, contrast, warmth, saturation, and so on. You can also use the horizontal bar to adjust something. To apply the changes, make sure to hit the check mark. You can add stickers. Let's add one and place it here. You can find more stickers by scrolling down. Some needs to be downloaded first, before you can use it. There are tons of stickers available for you. You can also add photos if you want to add more. Let's say that we're done, so let's go ahead and save it now. This will take for a while to complete. Once done, it will be saved to your phone. After that, you also have the option to share it to your social media like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. To go back, tap the Make Another or tap the home icon here at the top right. Choose your template again. In each tab available, you will see more predefined templates. Just scroll down to see more. The freestyle is where you can create your own design. You can change the ratio of your images. For Instagram, Facebook cover, Twitter. You can change the background. Blur is where you can blur the background. Choose which photo to blur. Move the images anywhere. You can also add border. Add text. Add another photo. Stickers. Frame. Filters and so on. Once done, click the Save at the top right. Let's go back to the dashboard. Collage is where you can add more photos and mix them together. Just select several photos in your photo gallery. Collage Maker instantly remix them into cool photo collage. Pick the layout you like. You can change layout, margin, border. The process will be the same. To save, just hit the Save button at the top right. Then wait for it to complete. That is how you use this app. Collage Maker is your go-to photo collage maker, pic, stitch, and photo editor for Instagram and printing, and so much more. That is for this video, and I hope that you enjoy watching this. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.